Welcome to 3700 Bush River Road, Unit C3. This is a two-story, two-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome in the Cloisters condo community in the Whitehall or St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-26, dining and shopping in Harbison, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia and also Irmo. And as you can see, it's located near the community pool, just a quick walk down that sidewalk. And also your trash and also the mailboxes are over there as well. But we'll go ahead and take a look inside. We approach the front door here. So it's a nice brick building. You have a nice sort of stone stoop as you come in. And then you notice the laminate hardwood flooring, as soon as I can adjust that lighting for you. Right as you enter the home. So you have this on the lower level and on the upstairs stair landing or in the hallway as well. Kitchen is right off of the foyer, and then the stairs to go up to the second level are right upstairs, and we have a few things off of the hallway that leads us to the living room as well. But we'll take a look at the kitchen first, which has white cabinets, light countertops, and white appliances as well. There's an included dishwasher, electric range, and refrigerator. You have a nice bit of cabinet and countertop space in here also for the size. And this continues through into the dining area. You have a ceiling fan in here, and that also opens up into the living room, as you can see. And then right out the back door here, we have access to the fenced-in patio space. So you have a nice size patio. You have an awning off of the back door, and it closes, so that covers that a little bit. So a nice fenced-in area, and then show you over the gate. You do also have, as you can see, parking right out back. That spot on the right that you can see is marked C3 for the unit, and I believe that is a guest spot next to it. You do have access to those. And then back inside, we go down this hall quickly. Off of it, you do have a half bathroom with a single vanity. You have a cabinet beneath that, and also some additional cabinets above the commode. And you have some tile on the wall, and then the floor in there as well. You also have your laundry closet, sort of off this entry hall. It has full-size washer and dryer connections. You have some updated flooring in there also. And it also is where the electrical or breaker box panel is. And then here you have a coat closet just off of the entry, as we're right back at the front door. And we'll take a look upstairs. Carpeting starts on the stairs, and then it continues. That's in the bedrooms as well, but you do have the laminate hardwoods again in the hallway up here. So you have two bedrooms that share a full bathroom off of this hall. You have a closet here with the water heater inside. You also do have a shelf above with some additional storage. And then one of two bedrooms here. This is the larger of the two. Both have ceiling fans. This one faces the back, I believe, of the unit. And you have a nice deep window bench seat that you can see there, as well as two closets. They are two actual separate closets, roughly the same size. And then the half bathroom. A single vanity, slightly larger counter, a bit more lighting, and that same tile from downstairs on the wall, and that continues into the tub and shower surround as well. And then last but not least, your second bedroom. Also, as we mentioned, a ceiling fan in here, that same sort of deep window bench seat, and then the closet over here, which is a nice size. You can see the shelf above is nice and deep as well for a good bit of storage. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 3700 Bush River Road, Unit C3. You can find out more information by visiting turnerproperties.com.